What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we're gonna do things a little bit different. As you can tell in the background here, we're not in our usual spot today. See this power stroke right here? We're gonna do some work on it today for my buddy Cody, which you guys seen him in one of the previous videos working on the lights in my shop at Autoborn Life. Go check him out on Instagram. Hopefully he starts his YouTube channel soon. But anyway, as you guys can see here, the bed of the truck is not black on the bottom side like the whole cab of the truck and the front fenders is. So today we're going to fix that. We're going to use some Raptorliner to finish out the bed to make it match the rest of the truck. You guys have a little bit of work to do on some rust spots here, but that's not a big deal. We'll get it taken care of, make it look right. We're also going to do the bumpers, back bumper, and then the front bumper's chrome. So yeah, that's what we got going on. Now obviously neither one of us are a professional at this, but I watched a few other YouTube videos about it, and I think that we can do a pretty good job on it. Pretty confident that it'll turn out pretty cool. One thing that I'm really not sure about is that the stuff that's on the truck already is really thick. I don't know that we're going to be able to get that Raptorliner that thick, but hopefully we can. But other than that, I think the finish itself will match pretty good. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and start prepping that bed, getting all the plastic all over the truck so that we don't get any overspray on anything, and we'll just start jamming it out. Alrighty guys, so what you just seen happen was we taped everything off, got it all plasticed to protect from our overspray, and then we scuffed it up with our 3M scuff pads, just enough to get the clear coat off of there so it's not shiny anymore. And then I went through, wax and grease removed everything. So now we're basically ready to take some self-etching primer. It probably doesn't have to be self-etching primer. Not 100% sure on that, but that's all we've got. So I'm going to take that and prime these bare spots of metal where there was rust at that he went and ground on the very beginning of the video. But other than that, it'll basically be ready to start shooting the Raptorliner, which is a very easy process from what I understand. You got this gun here that you have to use with it, and then of course it hooks up to an air compressor. And then the stuff, he bought the whole kit, so it comes in this box here, and you got your, I believe this is a measuring cup for it obviously, but you got these bottles here. Let's see if I can get where you guys can see better. So we got these bottles right here that it comes in. This is the liner, see it's black to match the truck, and then what you do is you just pour in the hardener, which is this stuff here. Just pour some of that hardener into each bottle, mix it up, shoot it on the truck. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put some primer on these bare metal spots, and then we're gonna start spraying the Raptorliner. Alright guys, it's time to start mixing this Raptorliner and getting it sprayed on the truck. So you see here it came with this fill cup for the hardener, so you just fill it up to this fill line and then Pour your hardener into the Raptorliner bottle. Shake it up really, really well. Screw the gun onto it and start spraying. So let's go ahead and get after it. Well guys, here we go. Here's our finished product. The line going over the wheel well may not be 100%, but man, the texture on these two is like identical. I mean, even the color of the two different materials is the same. It's pretty awesome. I mean, this stuff was like crazy easy to use. You guys have no idea. Anybody can achieve this stuff in their own garage, even in your driveway. I mean, it's Raptorliner. You don't have to be in the garage away from the elements. As long as you got a nice calm day with no wind, you should be pretty good to go. Just make sure you wear your respirator, gloves, keep that stuff off your skin, out of your lungs. You'll be good. We ain't done yet. He's over here hard at work on that front bumper. We're about to get the fog lights put in that thing after we Raptorline it, of course. Yeah, this truck's gonna look pretty awesome. It's taking a big change for sure. It ain't gonna be the same after today, guys. Gotta hit that subscribe button because stuff's getting real. So that's probably gonna wrap it up for this video today, guys. I mean, obviously we're not done with the project, but you guys already seen how to do things. Wasn't really a how-to video. I just kind of wanted to share my day with you guys. Raptorliner is a pretty easy thing to work with. I just found that out. I mean, I'm gonna Raptorline the bed of my truck even, man. Probably the Sonoma too. And it's real easy and I like the way it looks. We'll see how durable it is here in a couple days. I'll get back with you guys and show you that. But as for now, if you guys like today's content, smash that like button, leave your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, guys, because we're growing. We're at 207 right now, so just smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. Join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care. Have a great day.